how beautiful they are.
Seen anything that far as that?
What are they? Scarlet ibis. Look at the waterfalls. Let me turn it this way. Look out, Boda.
Hey, look at this.
There's that guy. I know, he just flew right next to me. Hey, you. What? He said hello. Hi. These are the waterfalls. Let's shoot this way and then back up. Yeah. Woo. Nice. Oh God, there he is again. There he is again, that guy that's stalking me.